Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola Moto E32s to an Android device. First of all, open Play Store on both. Then click on the search bars. Type in Send Anywhere and get this free app. So click this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both smartphones. Click on I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Now on Motorola, I accept, confirm, continue, allow. In this pop-up, you can click on Not Now if you want to, and then close it by selecting OK. Finally, click on Send at the bottom left corner of your Motorola if it's not already on, and tap on Receive next to Send on an Android. Finally, you can tap on all of those type of dots from all of those categories and hit Send next to Selected. This way you will choose all of them and transfer them later on. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only this one photo. Choose Send, so click, choose Send and click on Got it. Now on an Android, click on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree or no thanks. And tap on Close this window. Finally, we have two ways to connect. If you want to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon on an Android. Select while using or only this time. And point your camera at the code. If you wish to, you can always input this key over here instead. And tap on Receive. After a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!